Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. Okay, after all the reviews and suggestion, I berjaya beli satu vacuum ni dekat Shopee, which is Dibea F20 Max. So I'm gonna show you guys betapa bestnya vacuum ni. Jom. Okay, this is a Dibea Cordless vacuum. Dalam dia ada warranty card. You have to register online, and then you will get instruction manual. Kalau tak faham apa, boleh je refer to this book. And then I think this is the main accessories. I just love this one. Look at the brush, so soft, and then dia tak berat pun. And if the brush is dirty, you boleh cuci, bersihkan. So just pull this red button dan keluarkan. This is senang sangat. And then this is for dust mite. I usually guna benda ni untuk tilam. So kejap lagi akan tunjuk hasil sedutan dia. And then this is the small accessories you can use untuk tempat-tempat yang complicated. So this is the accessories details. Everything is in the book. And then this is contoh yang I dah pasang. One of the reason I like this vacuum because of the color. And then suction dia sangat power, which is 25,000. So tengok yang habuk kecil-kecil tu adalah hasil I vacuum dekat tilam katil anak I. Nampak tak yang kecil-kecil tu? Okay, tengok ni hasil dia. I guna brush yang dust mite dekat karpet. Banyak sangat memuaskan. So jangan lupa dapatkan Dibea from Shopee.